Blue Motors is a vibrant startup who are planning to showcase their first car in the upcoming auto show. In order to stand out in the highly competitive automotive market, companies need to minimize physical tests and prototypes, manage vehicle configurations, and validate controller interactions. Based on the market research, the strategy team decided to design a car that would differentiate in terms of ride, handling, drivability, NVH, and durability. To meet these objectives, an engineering team with Joe and Emily was formed, who are vehicle dynamics engineers. Emily also created a dedicated community for this project to collect and share the know how. Using the project planning app, Emily created a project scope. This helped her to plan, execute, and monitor the project efficiently. Emily created a database, which is a library of all the systems in a car, and stored it on the 3D drive. The team identified several workflows for improving the dynamics performance. Since there are multiple workflows, Joe chose the tire model as per the load case. For the ride and durability workflows, he created flexible bodies for BIW and rear subframe. For NVH performance, the detailed powertrain was chosen. We performed 4 handling load cases. To reduce the body roll, different tire models were tested. Hard tires reduced the body roll by 10%, making the car fun to drive.
Electronic stability control can lower the risk of fatal single vehicle crash by 56%. We simulated the blue car with ESC and found that the car with ESC was much stable while turning than the one without it.
The 4-poster virtual test showed high stresses in the rear subframe. The modified design improved the life by 70%.
To eliminate gear rattle, we worked on the transmission system. We tuned the dual mass flywheel, which helped to minimize the engine torque irregularities.
Improved half-shaft design reduced the vehicle jerks during gear change, giving better drivability. The low-quality ride caused by seat vibrations can lead to fatigue. The solution was to work on tuning the suspension system.
We did the design of experiment study and reduced the seat vibrations by 25%.
The master model was finalized with all the modifications for the best possible dynamics. To validate the model, we used a digital twin of Monaco circuit on the real-time simulator. Joe drove the blue car and was very happy with the performance. The team was very happy to see the progress. Emily shared the data with vehicle program team. With the final design, the car was manufactured. And now, after all that hard work, it's the time to go for a long drive.